How to fix can't install WhatsApp on Google Play Store. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Make sure to please hit the subscribe button, it really helps our channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open settings. Once you open settings, here you have to click on apps. Once you click on apps, click on see all apps and search for Play Store. Here Google Play Store, there are two steps that you have to follow. Click on Google Play Store and here you'll find storage and cache. Click on that and click on clear cache and click clear storage also if you want to. Once you do that, your Play Store cache and extra storage space will get cleared. Then the second step that you have to do is you have to click on Google Play Services. Once you click on Google Play Services, here also you have to go on storage and cache and click on clear cache and clear storage. And once these two steps are done, you can go back on your Play Store and try to install your WhatsApp again. Most probably it will work. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.